How to summarize any page on the internet on iPhone. Have you ever searched for something on a website full of text and images? All that information takes time, but did you know that you can get a summary of any page in just a few seconds? If you want to know how, stay until the end of the video. To do this, you need to install an application called Snapshot. The application is free and you can download it from the App Store. Once the application has been downloaded, all you need to do is go to the site for which you want to get a summary. I will open Wikipedia for Apple. As you can see, this site is full of text and it would take me a long time to read everything. So I'm going to tap the Share button. It will open with a menu in which we will scroll through the applications and tap on the More button. Scroll through the options and find the Snapshot option and tap on it. We will wait for the AI built into this application to do its job. When the application finishes processing, a text will appear that will give you a summary of a page on the internet. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.